Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to fix Spotify playing random songs. If Spotify is playing random songs instead of your desired playlist or album, you can try the following troubleshoot steps. You can first open your Spotify. Then in here, choose any album or playlist you like to play. Now, tap the shuffle to turn off the shuffle mode to avoid playing random songs on Spotify. You can also do these steps. Clear the app cache. In the Spotify app, go to the settings, then find the Spotify app. And in here, go to storage and clear cache. This action will remove temporary data that will be causing playback issues. So that's how to fix Spotify playing random songs. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching!